If you're a homeowner looking to elevate your daily routine, then you need to check out the power of a high-pressure shower head. Imagine stepping into your shower and being greeted not just by water, but by a powerful, invigorating stream that feels like a spa treatment. That's what a high-pressure shower head can do for you. It transforms your mundane morning ritual into a luxurious and energizing experience that sets the tone for the entire day. Not only does it offer a superior clean, making you feel more refreshed, but it also does so efficiently, using less water than traditional shower heads. This means you're not just upgrading your shower experience, you're also being kind to your wallet and the planet. So why settle for a basic shower when you can boost your day from the get-go with a high-pressure shower head? Upgrade today and feel the difference.